Hi everybody. So this is going to be the first lesson on chord lengths or lengths within a circle. So today we're going to do intersecting chords. Tomorrow we'll do secant and tangent lines. All right, and finding the lengths of those. So today is intersecting chords. So you see also we had this picture before and we were looking for the angles. So now we're looking for the actual segment lengths. Okay, so it might be like 20 feet. 30 feet, whatever it is. Okay, so it still looks like a bow tie, but we're not looking for the angles. So the formula is you're going to take the lengths on the same line and you're going to multiply them. So I like to just set up my parentheses, and the ones on the same line, so A and B, are on the same line, and then C and D are on the same line. And those are the ones you're multiplying. So let's look at model example. Set up your parentheses. Okay, and you do 4 and 6 are on the same line, so those two are being multiplied. And then 8 and X are on the same line, so those are being multiplied. So 4 times 6 is 24. 8 times X, divide by 8. X is 3. Very simple. Now, it could get more tricky if you look at this question. We're going to have a factoring question. So let's set up our parentheses. Okay, you're going to have 4 times 3. And then over here, we're going to have X minus 4 and X. Okay, 4 times 3 is 12. You're going to distribute the X, giving you X squared minus 4X. If you notice a trinomial was formed, you have an X squared term, an X, and a number. So you got to get the 12 to the other side of the equal sign. You want a 0. This way you can factor. Now from here, you could put it in Y1 of the calculator. Okay, and then you would get a parabola. We're looking for the positive answer. Okay, or you can factor this way. What multiplies to 12 and gives you 4? It's going to multiply to a negative, so one's going to be positive, one's going to be negative, and what gives you 4? It would be 6 and 2. The bigger number gets the negative. And then you have to switch the signs from here. That's why, because you're like doing a bunch of things with signs, I think this way might be the easiest way, because you'll get your 2 answers and you always keep the positive and you reject the negative. Okay, so if you look at my worksheet, so those were the 2 model questions. All right, so your answer was, sorry, I'm clicking a million things right now. All right, so your answer was 6. You could go ahead and check it if you want by plugging it in. You guys are going to do the rest of the sheet. For this sheet, there's 6 problems. You can do it on loose leaf and then submit a picture of the loose leaf. You can print out the worksheet and do the worksheet and then scan it back in. You can do it on Google Docs. So there's a couple of different ways. Whatever works for you. Just resubmit the assignment back to this link. Thank you.